Hey, this is digital lifestyle expert Mario Armstrong. The hottest consumer electronics and technology are being unveiled right here at CES 2024 in Las Vegas. Check out this new cool product heading our way. For gamers, ambiance is everything, people. I saw the Govee AI Sync Box kit too. This is so cool. These are smart light strips that reflect in-game colors and respond to actions in the game, which creates this more immersive environment with all these lighting technologies. It's really cool. The system utilizes Govee's AI technology to create custom lighting effects. So for example, it can identify a big victorious moment that happens in a game and match it with a victory lighting effect. At the same time, it's crazy. You can also personalize the effects and connect with other Govee lights and devices too. For more, go to govee.com. And to find everything I covered today, including links, just visit bestofces.com or visit us and find us on Instagram @InTheNewsTV.